Setting the mood with home lighting, tips and tricks. Welcome to our video on setting the mood with home lighting. Lighting can make a huge difference in how a room feels and functions, so it's important to get it right. In this video, we'll share some tips and tricks to help you create the perfect ambiance in your home. First things first, it's important to understand the different types of lighting. There are three main types: ambient, task, and accent lighting. Ambient lighting is the overall lighting of a room. Task lighting is for specific activities like reading or cooking, and accent lighting is used to highlight certain features or objects. To create a warm and inviting atmosphere, you'll want to focus on ambient lighting. This can be achieved with overhead lights or lamps placed throughout the room. Soft, warm light bulbs are best for this type of lighting as they create a cozy, comfortable feeling. Task lighting is important in areas where you need to see clearly, like your kitchen or home office. You'll want to choose brighter, cooler light bulbs for these areas to help with visibility and concentration. Accent lighting is a great way to add depth and dimension to a room. This can be achieved with spotlights or lamps placed strategically to highlight artwork, plants, or other decorative features. Another important factor to consider when setting the mood with lighting is the color temperature of your light bulbs. Cooler temperatures, around 500 K, create a bright, energetic feeling, while warmer temperatures, around 2700 K, create a cozy, relaxed feeling. Lastly, don't forget about dimmer switches. These allow you to adjust the brightness of your lights to create the perfect ambiance for any occasion. By understanding the different types of lighting and color temperatures, and by using a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting, you can create the perfect mood in any room of your home. We hope these tips and tricks have been helpful. Thanks for watching.